Mark your calendars for July 16th, a day dedicated to the sweet and creamy delight we all love, National Ice Cream Day. This day is more than just a celebration of a timeless dessert. It's an invitation to indulge, explore, and experiment. Try adding a tropical twist to your ice cream with Traverse Bay Farms monkey butter. This delectable concoction is made from bananas, mangoes, and pineapples. It's like a tropical vacation in a jar, ready to transport your taste buds to an island paradise. Just imagine a spoonful of this tropical blend melting into your favorite ice cream. The creaminess of the ice cream, the sweetness of the bananas, the tang of the pineapple, and the exotic flavor of mangoes, all dancing together in a perfect symphony of flavors. So this July 16th, celebrate National Ice Cream Day in style. Grab a jar of Traverse Bay Farms monkey butter and give your ice cream a tropical makeover. After all, every day is a good day for ice cream, but on National Ice Cream Day, why not make it extraordinary? Break time.